to find videos you watched on Facebook. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Facebook. You'll find this kind of screen pop up. Simply go to your profile and then click on three dots. Then click on Activity Log, which is below Log Profile. In here, you'll find your Facebook activity. Then click on Manage Post. Now you'll find this kind of screen pop up. Click on Filter and then click on Categories. In Categories, select videos you have watched. After you have selected that, you're good to go. You'll find all the videos you have watched on Facebook in here. This is how to find videos you watched on Facebook. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. I'm Sophia signing off until next time.